Almost everything in this exhibition has not been on show in Britain before, or indeed in Western Europe. We have a full-size Columbian mammoth skeleton, about 13 feet high, the giant short-faced bear, which is believed to be the largest bear that ever lived. Saber-toothed cats, probably one of the few predators that could actually attack young mammoths. I'm incredibly excited that we have Lyuba, the world's best preserved mammoth, on show for our visitors. To see a whole mammoth preserved in the flesh like that was really an emotional experience, a fantastic experience, something I'll never forget. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for our visitors to come face to face with a real mammoth.